San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Hays County, Guadalupe County, Northwestern Gonzales County, Northeastern Bexar County, Comal County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Canyon Lake Dam, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, San Marcos, Schertz, Seguin, Cibolo, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, Wimberley, Randolph Air Force Base, Canyon Lake Dam, Canyon Lake, Kirby, Windcrest, Terrell Hills, Bavard, Garden Ridge, McQueen and St. Hedwig. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near Canyon Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.